Hello, dear class. Good morning, everyone. I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. This is the situation of the changing of environment, so you should be careful about your health. Okay, dear learners. This is Nishit Jodhar informed of you. Today I am going to represent a core topics for you. These are very core topics or basic topics for you. Hey, dear learners, what can you see? It's a happy moment when the match winners win the match. They also try to express their total expression regarding for their winning. It's a very sad moment when you have a sense of some sadness. Yeah, it's a very premature or very perfect stage of your life. It's old, it's the last stage of your life. In those sentences you can say, or you can find some new words that mean indicates a very expression, enjoying or good feelings or ill feelings, or your very introvert, extrovert expression also mentioned here. Dear learners, today I also introduce a new topics. It's a very core topics for you. Today's topics is adjective. It is just like a vital topics. It's a very basic topics for you. Dear learners, let's go. Learning outcomes. After this lesson, the student will be able to identify adjective, to say the features and kinds of adjective, to write the different kinds of adjective properly, to make sentence using adjective, to find out adjective from the sentence. After completing the lesson, the learners will be able to cope up the things from the lesson. Hey, dear learners, what are you seeing here? It's a very ball, small ball, big ball. Or he also use some music indicate some words just like a noun and pronoun. That's called adjective. The word which is used before or after of the noun or pronoun and it modified the words, that's called adjective. Definition: a word qualifies or describes a noun or a pronoun is called adjective. I also told you that the word which modify the word which is used before or after of the word, and this words indicates or modify the words, that's called adjective. Okay, dear learners, how many kinds of adjective? Yeah, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, predictive adjective, personal adjective, possessive adjective, demonstrative of adjective, interrogative adjective, indefinite adjective, comparative adjective, superlative form of the adjective. Yeah, those types of adjectives which are habited to use in our daily life, because in those types of adjectives we are mainly used in our daily life. Okay, dear learners, first one was a beautiful place. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. You think that all of you have a heart, I have a soft feelings of your expression. You want to enjoy a beautiful nature or nature of the beautiful of our country. A beautiful place. What types of place it is? It's a beautiful place. Yeah, adjective. The word used before the noun. Descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. Descriptive adjectives are those adjectives which describes nouns or the noun phrase. That's mean the word which always indicates a nouns or noun phrase. That's called adjective of quality. Definition: Sunday is the first day of the week. Yeah, this is called adjective of quantity. That indicates a numeric word and it's used before the noun. That's called adjective of quality. The adjective of quality talks about the quality of the noun, begin talked about and provides answer to the question of how much. How much. If you set up a question of the sentence, you can find an answer. It will be a quantity. How much old? How old you are? How much rice do you want? Another example of little, second one. This also be used as an adjective. Definition. Next one. The child is young. Predictive adjective. Predictive adjectives are those which follow a linking word and not placed before a noun. That means the word which is used as a linking word or the word which is used before the verb, not placed before a noun. The child is young. Another example: cool, dry, heavy, etc. This is a very beating cold. I feel a very cold. Next one, auntie, uncle. The day after tomorrow, you can visit Auntie Shazada Begum and Uncle Jaman Ahmed. Yeah, dear learners, what type of adjective it is? Personal adjective. Personal adjectives are adjectives where the titles such as Mr., Master, Miss, Mrs., Uncle, Auntie, Lord, Doctor, Professor, and so on are used as adjective to describe the positive position of the noun. In those words, when you use Dr. Azhar, Dr. Rahman, those words in the sentence are using as an adjective because those words are always modify the person just like or it indicates as a person quality. That's called personal adjective. A definition. This is his house. Possessive adjective. Yeah, learner, this is called a possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is used where the sentence shows possession or belongings. That's mean the word which always indicates the noun, just like words as a his, her, your, our, etc. Those words used before the noun. His name, his profession, your choice, your graduation. Definition. These gold are valuable. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are used when there is a need to point specific things. It's a demonstrative. These gold are valuable. This rings is fine from mine. Example: these, that, those. In those words are used in the sentence before the noun. That's called demonstrative adjective. I think all of you can understand the things very carefully because if you give a deep concentration about the topics, you will be cope up some important issues or important things from the lecture. Okay, dear learner, let's go. Definition. Next one. Many children likes flower. Identify adjective. Identifying adjectives are used when the sentence has nothing to point out or specify. Example: any, such, more, etc. In those words, when identify the noun, that's called identify adjective. Next one, definition. Whose son is he? Interrogation adjective. Yes, Dana, it is called interrogation adjective. An interrogation adjective modifies a noun or a noun phrase is similar to the interrogative pronoun. Another example: who is, why, whom, etc. Those words are used in the sentence just like an interrogative adjective. Yeah, dear learners, this is a comparative adjective. Comparative adjectives are those which imply increase or decrease of the quality of or quantity of the nouns. If it is used to compare two things in a clause. That's mean the sentence, the word which used before the noun, and that indicates a comparison or compare to things. That's called comparative adjective. Big, bigger, biggest. The ball is smaller than any other balls. The ball is smaller than any other ball, not balls. Ball. Another example, sharper, shorter, longer. This is used as a comparative form of the word. Comparative form of the word. Bigger. Yeah, next one is, yeah, it's a very common fish in our country. We are very familiar with the fish. It's called a hilsa fish. Hilsa fish is the most popular of all fishes in our country. It's a superlative adjective. Superlative adjectives express the greatest increase or decrease the quality. It conveys the supreme value of the noun in question. In the utterance, you can see that some words are used comparison a vast things about a few things or within the most things or within the everythings. Another example, sweetest, brightest, sharpest. That's a superlative form of the word. Peer work, honest, honey is sweet. Gold is more valuable than any other metal. Which pen do you like? Many children like dinosaurs. This is the most interesting subject for me. Is there any water in the bottle? The classes on Monday will be presented Dr. Mary and Professor Kate. Okay, dear learners, you have to find out proper adjectives from the below sentences. The utterance which I have also shown to you, you have to find out which adjective are used in the sentences. You have to find out. In the word is this types of adjective, in the word is another type of adjective. You have to specifically find out the word in your own self. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Yeah, honey, sweet, sweet, gold, valuable, which, many, these, any, doctor, professor. In those words I already have taught you. So you have to define the word, that what is in such types of adjective and that what is another type of adjective. You have to find out all of the words and use in the sentences, and you have to find out that this is called this adjective and this is called that adjective. Evaluation, fill in the blanks with suitable adjective from the following lines. Who is there? Younger, little, this, tallest, dry. Mary is the dash of all the students. The detective is dash, then the thief leaves from the first. Mangoes are sour. The other will be dash, and he has intelligence. We have to find out which word is appropriate for the blanks. Then you have to use the word. That means you have to determine that this word is perfect for this gap or suitable for this gap. This word or which word is appropriately used in the blank, and those words you have to use in the blanks. One word for one blank. Mary is the tallest. The detective is the younger than the thief. Which leaves turn color first? These mangoes are sour. Dash their houses. The weather will be cool and dry. Cool and dry. He has little intelligent. Okay, learners, I think all of you can try to manage your answer which are already decided to yourself, or you have to compare to my answer. I think all of you can do it because it's a very common adjective in your daily life. Okay, homework. Make 20 sentences to use proper adjectives. At home, you have to apply those type of adjectives in your daily activities, and you have to make 20 sentences for using this type of adjective. Okay, learners, stay home, stay safe. Thanks to all.